navigating the world of education, particularly the craft of designing impactful courses, can often resemble a journey through a complex labyrinth. This journey, filled with decisions and strategies, presents a formidable challenge that educators and designers face. Success hinges on more than just understanding the educational content. It lies in structuring, delivering, and how learners experience this content. Common obstacles, such as misalignment between learning objectives and assessments or failing to address the diverse needs of learners, can undermine the effectiveness of educational experiences. It brings to light the necessity for a structured approach like the ADDIE model, a guiding beacon through the vast sea of instructional design. This model, with its phases of analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate, presents a comprehensive framework to navigate through the complexities of course development. As we delve into the ADDIE model, we commence a journey aiming to equip educators and e-learning professionals with the necessary tools for creating meaningful learning experiences. Entering the first phase of our exploration into instructional design, we present a robust framework that has transformed educational experiences, the ADDIE model. Envision a world where learning journeys are not only impactful but are meticulously crafted to meet the learner's needs. This is what ADDIE opens up, the possibility of insightful, impactful, tailored educational experiences. It offers a systematic approach, from analyzing learners' needs, designing objectives to developing and implementing strategies, and evaluating their effectiveness. Herein lies the beauty of ADDIE. It provides a clear roadmap for creating learning experiences that are transformative, systematically approached, and optimized for success. Venturing deeper into instructional design, our journey through the ADDIE model shines a light on creating impactful learning experiences. It starts with the analyze phase, focusing on understanding the intricate needs of learners, setting the stage for a resonant educational journey. Transitioning to design, we focus on crafting clear learning objectives that guide the instructional journey. This blueprint then propels us into the develop phase, where plans transform into engaging instructional materials. The implement phase is where these strategies and materials meet learners, testing the effectiveness of our design. Finally, the evaluate phase allows us to measure and refine our efforts. Collectively, these phases represent a cycle of continuous improvement, illuminating the path to creating dynamic and effective learning experiences. As we proceed, the practical applications of the ADDIE model will showcase its transformative power in real-world scenarios. Having unpacked the ADDIE model, delving into both its theoretical framework and practical applications, we pivot to real-life success stories that embody the model's sheer transformative potential. From the development of an online course that broke traditional learning molds to a corporate training program that leveraged ADDIE for substantial performance improvements, these narratives not only highlight the model's application but also its profound impact on learning outcomes. These stories serve as a testament to how a structured, systematic approach like ADDIE can revolutionize instructional design, opening a realm of possibilities for educational practitioners. As our exploration reaches its culmination, let's recognize the ADDIE model as our navigational beacon in the vast ocean of instructional design. It's a tool that turns complexity into clarity and intentions into impactful actions. Begin your journey with ADDIE, ensuring every phase, analyze, design, develop, implement, evaluate, elevates your educational projects beyond mere goals to remarkable success stories. This isn't an endpoint, but a starting line for continuous improvement and achievement. Embrace it. Let ADDIE guide you to groundbreaking transformations in your instructional design endeavors.